Good news guys, BlueStacks is now available on Apple Silicon Mac. Previously, we could only use BlueStacks on Intel Macs and there was no option for newer MacBooks from M1 to M4. With the launch of BlueStacks Air, we can now run optimized apps and games on our Apple Silicon Mac. Now let's install. Now head to your browser and then search for BlueStacks Air. Now click on the first link to BlueStacks Air Beta for Mac and then download BlueStacks Air. After downloading, we can close our browser and then open our download folder. So here we go, this is BlueStacks Air. Now let's double click to run. Drag BlueStack and drop it in applications. Now let's close this window and then we can close our download folder, eject BlueStack from our desktop. Now we can run BlueStacks from our launcher. Under settings, you can set how many cores you want to allocate to BlueStacks. Same with memory. Now let's download and test the game from Google Play Store. BlueStacks Air is fast, lightweight, and supports native gameplay performance for all new Apple Silicon Macs with high performance support for Apple trackpad and keyboard. BlueStacks has been one of the best Android emulators for ages, and I would recommend for those looking for an Android emulator for their Silicon Mac. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.